Hi guys, welcome to another episode on the Finance Intel. And in this particular tutorial, I'm going to be showing you by far the easiest way to make money online. And of course, with the incredible rise of AI, it makes it even more easy to make money online, as you can be in the comfort of your home and make a full-time living. Now, this particular method I'm going to be showing you today, it is 100% beginner friendly, meaning you do not even need to have any prior experience. It requires no startup cost and you can start earning even right now. So let's get cracking. Now, this is an analysis from Google that says that AI has the potential to generate $2.6 trillion to $4.4 trillion in value across the country. Now, this is to tell you that by now you ought to start leveraging on AI. One of the AI tools that has been making lots of money is Rask AI. Now, basically what Rask AI does, it is an AI tool that helps to translate audios or videos. And of course, their main aim is to expand its reach. So you want it to break through language barriers, people who may not understand the language you're speaking with. You want to translate it into the language where that is more understood amongst those particular people. And this particular AI tool, it actually can translate to most of the popular languages, and it is completely free to try it out. Now, if you go to this particular website, rask.ai, you can see it has so many features you can do: transcribe YouTube videos, video translator, and so on and so forth. It is endless. One of the ways that you want to do this, of course, is to sign up, and you can do it for free. Just like I said earlier, you want to come here and you want to click try it for free. When you click try it for free, to take you to a part where you're going to sign in. Of course, just put in your email and your password, or you can either use Google to sign in. And once you sign in, you will be brought to this point where you can do a sample test, which is free, to check how good it is. And you want to go here and click here. And with this, you can either upload your video, or you can paste your YouTube link or a link. So you can upload your video here, choose a file, or you can paste your link. So now I've pasted a YouTube link, which I would like it to translate for us. And of course here, you just leave it like that because it automatically generate that for you. Number of speakers in this video, it's just one. And of course, the original language, you leave it to auto detect. If you want to put it to English, if it's in English, fine. But you want to translate it and you want to pick whatever language it is. And let's say I'm going to be going to Spanish, and you're just going to click translate. And once you hit that, your video is going to, of course, begin processing to translate into Spanish.
Hola chicos, bienvenidos de nuevo a mi canal. Soy TFI, la inteligencia financiera. Básicamente estoy en este canal. Salgo ahí fuera, hago la investigación y os la traigo de vuelta con un proceso simple y fácil, paso a paso, sobre cómo podéis aprovechar fácilmente las plataformas para ganar dinero online.
Now, I know you'll be wondering, TFI, how can I possibly make money from this? Yes, this app helps you to do translation and all of that. How can I make money from this? I'm going to be showing you not just one way, but I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways by which you can make money, or you can leverage this to make money. And these particular ways I'm going to be showing you will be ranging from the least to the best. Now, the first earning method is you want to go on Fiverr and you want to go ahead and sign up. You want to list yourself or get a gig as a translator. Now, just to show you the potential of earnings, you want to type in translations here. And other translations, you can see several others here, several other people who are offering this translation service. You can see from $5, $15, $100. And this is something that you can actually sign up as a gig. If you are ever wondering that why would people want to pay when they can actually use this app? Well, the truth is, you would always find people who need this. Even if there are AI tools that use it, you will still find people who are willing to pay. And this is actually a hot cake, and it is a service that is actually more usually used. Now, the next one is basically going to the affiliate program, and you can go there by going to rask.ai/affiliate. And on this, you can actually easily earn money for every referral that you get. So you can see, get a 20% recurring commission for every referral, meaning anybody you refer who actually gets any of the plans of the Rask AI plans, you get 20% of that commission. And this is actually great because you do not even need a larger number of audience to make make your money. That is why I said it is dependent on your skill. So if you have some level of skill in affiliate marketing, knowing how to sell yourself, then you can actually do this. And if you just get like 5-10 people, you have made quite a tangible amount of money. All you need to do, if you want to know how people are doing this, you just need to go to YouTube and type Rask AI. You can see a lot of people making videos about this, and you can see some of them are not even showing your face. So you don't even have to show your face, and you can actually do this by promoting Rask AI. And when people click on your affiliate link and purchase a plan, you get a commission. Now, the third one, which is by far the best way you can earn with this particular app, is by simply going to English YouTubers to offer your translation services to be able for them to be able to reach more audience. You're going to want to reach out to them. You want to sell yourself, and of course, let them know what you can offer, that you can offer translation services. For example, you can see this particular YouTube channel, Metix Media. You can see this guy is literally, his channel is literally about tools, platforms you can use to scale your business, like Shopify, like Wix. But if you scroll down, you can see his featured channels. He has a channel on Espanol, on Portuguese. So you can reach out to a YouTuber like this and let him know, oh, you don't have a French channel, I can offer French translation services. And I must tell you that some of these YouTubers actually have the money to pay, and you can charge them way more than people charge on Fiverr. And if you actually do this right, you can make way more than what you would get from affiliate marketing. Make sure you smash the like button if you found this video super helpful. Make sure to leave a comment if you understand more than one language, so that I understand or I am proficient in Espanol. Make sure to also hit the subscribe button. And in one of my videos, I also revealed some very effortless strategies that you can use to scale an AI automated faceless channels.